It's real competitive. You know, there's a whole lot of us here. We have the Chesapeake Bay Watershed Act here that requires pumping every 5 years, which, you know, folks in the other part of the country probably think is amazing, but it brings a lot of competition. So it's a double-edged sword. You know, we get the pumping work, but we got a lot of competition to deal with that comes in and undercuts us. So we got to deal with that. There's a lot of companies that have been here a long time. There's a lot of companies that are brand new here. So it's you know, it's a good place to be, but then again, there's other places that don't have near the competition that we do. One of the more difficult challenges of this business, finding folks that want to do this type of work. You know, it's not a whole lot of people out there that, you know, are excited about getting in one of these trucks and getting that kind of mess on them. I enjoy it because I help people. You know, they call me in their most desperate times. You know, it's a husband with a wife and 3 kids, and they can't use their facilities in their house, and they call desperate, and especially when they've called other companies and they can't fix it, and we fix it. It's just a great feeling. And it's, you know, I've done it 20 years, and I've built it around my schedule somewhat, so I got some freedoms. But of course I answer to the customer like most folks answer to their boss. They're always right, even when they're not. Learn to be delicate with them and tell them how they're not right, even, you know, I'm being very delicate in doing it.